everyone. I hope you all are fit and fine. So today I have decided that we are not going to start any new topic. Instead, we are going to revise our grammar topic, that is phrasal verbs, that is coming in your second online test. So please watch the video carefully, and if you have any problem, you can ask me at any time. So let's start. Hello everyone. So today we are going to revise our topic phrasal verbs. As I've told you, phrasal verbs is made up of two words, that is phrases and verbs. Verb means any action performed by the subject and phrases means group of words. So in all, we can say that phrasal verb is a verb that is made up of a main verb together with an adverb or preposition or both. So it can have three type of combinations, that is verb plus adverb or verb plus preposition or verb plus adverb plus preposition. So phrasal verb is made up of two words, that is phrases and verbs. Verb means any action performed by the subject and phrases are group of words. Fine. So any word that is made with combination of verb plus adverb or verb plus preposition or verb plus adverb plus preposition is known as phrasal verbs. Fine. As I've told you, verb plus adverb or verb plus preposition or verb plus adverb plus preposition is known as phrasal verb. Like as you can see in picture, run away. Run is a verb, it is an action that is performed by the subject and it is made with verb plus adverb or verb plus preposition or verb plus adverb plus preposition combination. Fine. So these are three types of combination that it can have, that is verb plus preposition. As you can see below, add is a verb and it is added with the preposition on. So add on is verb plus preposition combination and it is a phrasal verb. Similarly, the second combination that it can have is verb plus adverb. Now as you can see here, run is verb and away is adverb. So run plus away, that is run away, is verb plus adverb combination. So it is a phrasal verb. The third one is verb plus adverb plus preposition. Look is verb, up is adverb, to is preposition. So look plus up plus to, that is look up to, is verb plus adverb plus preposition combination. So phrasal verb in all can have these three type of combination. It can have any of them, verb plus preposition or verb plus adverb or verb plus adverb plus preposition. It can have any of the three combinations. Fine. Now there are number of phrasal verbs, but you just need to remember the few that we are going to do today. So in your exam, you are just getting the meanings of the phrasal verbs. So please look into these phrasal verbs. First one is pick out. Pick out means to choose. Gina's wedding is tomorrow. I can't believe you still haven't picked out any dress for the party. Pick out means to choose. Now here they are talking about some wedding and she is saying, I can't believe you have still not choose the dress for the party. That means I can't believe you still haven't means have not picked out a dress for the party. So the meaning of the phrasal verb pick out is to choose. Fine. Next one is call off. Call off means postpone or cancel a plan or event. Fine. We had a meeting planned for tonight, but we had to call off. That means we had to cancel. Call off in simple language, you can say call off means to cancel a plan. Fine. So here, as you can see in the example, they are talking about a meeting that is supposed to take place tonight, but they have cancelled. They have called it off. Fine. Third one is look up. Look is verb, up is preposition. So it is a verb plus preposition combination. Look up means to search meaning of something in the dictionary. Let's look up the meaning in the dictionary. Means let's search the meaning of this particular word in the dictionary. Look up is a phrasal verb. The meaning is to look for information in a dictionary or book or by using computer. Simply you can say look up means to search something in the dictionary. Fine. It is a verb plus preposition combination. I have told you phrasal verb can have three type of combination: verb plus preposition, verb plus adverb plus preposition. It can have any of the three combination. So this is look up. Next is pull over. Pull over means to move a vehicle to the side of the road and stop, or to cause someone to pull to the side of the road. In simple language, pull over means to stop a vehicle at the side of the road. Fine. There was an ambulance behind us on the highway, so we pulled over and let it pass. There was ambulance behind our car, so we have moved our car aside and stopped, and we let the ambulance pass away. This is the meaning of this example sentence. Okay. Next is get along with. Get along with means to have friendly relation with someone. Here's example. Even though my friends are very different from each other, we get along with each other very well. That means even though my friends, they are very different, they're different from me, but still we have a friendly relation with each other. But still we get along with each other very well. Okay. Next is given. Given means to surrender. Fine. You never know how close you are. Never give in on your dreams. That means you never know how close you are, so you should not surrender your dreams at any cost. That means you should keep trying to fulfill your dreams. You should not give in your dreams at any cost. You should try to achieve them. Okay. Next word is drop by. The meaning of phrasal verb drop by is to stop for a visit. That means to come for a visit. She would drop by shortly to pick up her boarding pass for her flight. That means she is going to stop here for a visit to take her boarding pass for the flight. Fine. Drop by means to stop for a visit. Next is hold up. Hold up means delay. Fine. Don't hold up dinner on my account. That means don't delay your dinner because of me. Have it on time. Hold up means to delay. Next is point out. Point out means call attention of. That means to drag someone's attention towards something. He pointed out the benefits of daily exercise. That means he tried to drag our attention towards the benefits of exercising. He tried to point out the benefits of daily exercise. So point out means call attention of or drag someone's attention towards something. Next is grow up. Grow up means mature or to stop acting like a child. School is the best place to grow up. That means school is the best place where we learn how to behave in a matured way. Okay. So this is your classwork. Here are phrasal verbs. As you know, in your second online test, only meanings are coming. So just you have to learn these phrasal verbs with their meanings. Try to do it yourself. Otherwise, you can do the classwork from here also. First one is call off. Call off means to cancel. Second is drop by. Drop by means to stop for a visit. Third is hold up. Hold up means delay. Fourth is look up. Look up means to search for something. Next we have pick out. Pick out means to choose. Second one is point out. Point out means call attention to. Next is given. Given means to surrender. Grow up means to stop acting like a child or to behave in a mature way. Next is pull over. Pull over means to move a vehicle to the side of a road or stop. Next is get along with. That means to be friendly with someone. Fine. So these are the phrasal verbs that you should remember. Thank you.